Well, Fall River is my adopted hometown, and it's been such a pleasure to, for the first time in my career, to have professional responsibility here at home. It's a great community to live in. I raised my kids, my family, my kids here, and it has a lot of resources and assets that folks don't take note of, and it doesn't get credit for. And we've tried to use those assets, the people resources and some of the natural resources, in creative ways to promote the health of this city. And it's been a great experience, an honor to have had the chance to do it, and I'll certainly never forget the time I've spent here as the Director of Health and Human Services. I really didn't know what to expect. Never worked in city government before. Wasn't sure if the folks who had been here for many years would respond to my leadership, and I was pleased at every turn at the way I was received by my fellow workers here in City Hall, and particularly those I've worked with in the health department here. They've responded to it. A couple of my biggest success stories where I've seen several people grow in the job when I've given them new responsibilities, see them take those on and do some real creative things with it. The work that Christian McCluskey has done working with youth and organizing several new innovative programs to fight gangs. Marilyn Edge taking on the tobacco control program where she had no previous experience and growing it into one that is seen as comparable and as well run as any in the state. And the public health nursing staff diving into new responsibilities in emergency preparedness that they had never had before. It's been a privilege and an honor to work with all of them. And I just didn't know if those things were going to gel, and they really did. It's been great.